guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing Elaphrosaurus and Nothosaurus.
There are also dino trackers.
Yep, our first dino trackers. Like we mentioned in the last unboxing video, which was 2 years ago. Okay. What I meant to say is it has been so long since we have created another Jurassic World toys unboxing video. So let's get into these dino trackers. We got two because two makes a medium one, and a medium is like big. Anyways, let's get started with the cutting.
Yeah.
Bye boxes. Okay, let's see which one's bigger.
Okay.
It looks like Nothosaurus is bigger because of its body shape. See, it's a bit fatter. Not to be rude, but it's a bit more thick. And the Elaphrosaurus has a cool color feature. And like always,
I don't think they
scanner
have any
and
buttons.
on the body now.
They don't have any buttons.
Nope, they don't.
But they can't open their mouths.
Yeah. He can open it this wide. Oh my god. This?
It's not wide.
Yeah, at least he has longer claws. He can also turn his head like this and this. And down. To like if he's sniffing something. Kind of upwards, I guess.
There's these giant teeth on
Now it's the time of the video you've been waiting for. The scanning time. Here it is. Time to scan. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Why does the Nothosaurus have the big teeth on the end?
Okay. It's kind of hard to see.
The Nothosaurus kind of looks distorted. Why does it have big teeth?
Wait, chill. Okay, there's no light, so I'm gonna have to scan off camera. I mean, you won't see how it's scanned. Okay.
It's been scanned. Now we can put this back.
Okay. Bye.
Now we have to scan you.
Let's just see him.
Now we have to scan
Oh, it's a bit
you.
laggy. I think he does the animation when it does the finger thing. Okay.
Okay,
Let's move on to the Nothosaurus.
For Nothosaurus.
Okay.
Let's see how this works.
Okay. Got it. Oh, the animation's good. Some blocks up here, and then it says loading. Okay, take a close-up look.
How wide can this guy open?
Oh. So the finger's turning around the camera on different parts. Okay, those are all. Elaphrosaurus and Nothosaurus.
But there's one thing about this Nothosaurus. Why does it have big teeth on the bottom?
Bro, that's just normal. Forget that. I think I like the Elaphrosaurus more, but the Nothosaurus is more smooth. And the Elaphrosaurus is a bit more like so many osteoderms, I think. It probably has some armor. That's what it looks like, at least. Okay, forget that.
This guy can
So
only
like,
move his mouth.
So let's make a battle scene.
Let's see who wins. Let's see who's stronger.
That's up to the facts, the real life facts. I don't know yet who's stronger. But that's up to the real life facts. I think the Nothosaurus would win because of its agility and bigger teeth.
I don't know,
But
maybe
I think
Elaphrosaurus
Elaphrosaurus is faster and has bigger claws. I mean, bigger hands, and Nothosaurus walks on 4 legs. But these are 2 good dinosaurs from Dino Trackers. So we'll get even more later on. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Oi! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell
If you
for
want to
updates.
see more.
For updates, yeah. So see you in the next video. Bye.